Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change language on BenQ Monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically go right here to the menu, select the second button, then click on the menu and scroll down until you see system, or sorry, not the system. Let me find that setting. Okay, system, and basically go to the OSD settings and you'll see the language right here, and you will be able to choose a language from all of this list right here, as you can see. And just to change a language, use this check mark and you'll be able to change a language on your monitor, as you can see. So that's basically how you change a language on your BenQ monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.